Hello. Vote at the BET Red Carpet Awards. At the recent staging of the award show, which is US-based influencer Kemoy Martin posed the question to attendees at the red carpet.
What country makes the best music in the world?
Jamaica.
What's the best Jamaican song?
I'll just go with Peter Tosh, Legalize It.
What country makes the best music in the world?
Jamaica.
What's the best Jamaican song?
I would just say love reggae music.
What country makes the best music in the world?
Jamaica.
What's the best Jamaican song?
Oh, I might get in trouble for that one. It's a lot of them. I'll keep it safe. Anything from Bob Marley's catalog.
U.S. authorities named dancehall artist Squash as head of a transnational criminal organization. According to an article in the Caribbean National Weekly, it's alleged that federal authorities have identified dancehall entertainer Squash as a central figure in law enforcement investigations. He's being accused of heading the G-City Gang, a group allegedly linked to violent criminal acts that began in St. James, Jamaica, and later spread to Florida. An informant reportedly told authorities that Squash fled Jamaica to avoid a deadly gang conflict and entered the U.S. illegally. He was later detained by immigration officials but released after marrying a U.S. citizen while in custody. Federal agents say they have sufficient evidence to charge Squash with illegal possession of a firearm and unlawful possession of a machine gun as an undocumented migrant. If found guilty, he could face up to 10 years in prison for each charge, or a minimum 15 years if prior convictions are confirmed. Deportation is also a strong possibility. Squash is currently being held at the Miami Detention Center, with his trial scheduled to begin on September 2 in the Southern District of Florida. He has until August 26 to accept a plea agreement and avoid going to jail. Now, on the international scene, B2K announces 2026 reunion tour. J-Boog, Marion Fizz, and Raz B will be hitting the road in spring 2026, 7 years after the group came together for 2019's Millennium Tour. The actor and director Justin Baldoni's lawsuit against Blake Lively and her husband Ryan Reynolds has been dismissed. Monday, a New York judge dropped the $400 million defamation lawsuit against the Hollywood couple. Baldoni filed the lawsuit in January. The legal battle stemmed from the film It Ends With Us that Baldoni directed and co-starred with Lively. The suit alleged that the actress and her husband sought to destroy Baldoni and his career. Lively's lawyers called the ruling a total victory. Baldoni's legal team has until June 23 to amend some of the claims if he wants to refile. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime is brought to you by